Hey, welcome to Sippy Cup Adventures. We're going to tell you about a day trip at Donner Lake coming up next. Cheers. Donner Memorial State Park is located outside of Truckee, California. It has 2.5 miles of hiking trails, 154 camping sites, and 3 miles of lake frontage. Day use fee is $10 per vehicle from May 1st to September 30th and just $5 from October 1st to April 30th. When you enter Donner Memorial State Park, you can see to the left is camping and to the right is the day use area. Please, no wood or charcoal fires are allowed.
Hi there, welcome to Sippy Cup Adventures. I'm Patti.
And I'm Darren.
And this channel is about travel in Northern California.
Yeah, we're exclusive mostly to Northern California. So if you're looking for trips in Northern California, hopefully we could be of help here on Sippy Cup Adventures. So today we're going to talk about our day at Donner Lake. Cheers.
Cheers.
So yeah, we're in Donner Memorial State Park on the southeast side of Donner Lake. Great day use facility here. A lot of nooks and crannies, tons of picnic tables as you see by the video. So really a great place to come for the day. And unfortunately, you can see from the video, it's a little hazy. We're still experiencing smoke from the Dixie Fire.
No bueno. It's just not stopping. That's why we don't have dogs.
Clean up your poop.
But they are cleaning up.
Okay. As I was saying, people, dogs.
Cuban.
Yeah, so we're still experiencing some haze and smoke from the Dixie Fire that just can't be put out. It hasn't smelled like smoke, but again, if you're in California, that's
The new normal.
new normal. We had to get out. So, but anyways, yeah, come to Donner State Memorial Park. Lots of room out here. Donner Lake is a freshwater lake on the eastern slope of the Sierra Nevada, about 20 miles northwest of the much larger Lake Tahoe. The lake is located in the town of Truckee, right outside or right on Interstate 80. Now, Donner Memorial State Park is a state park in California, preserving the site of the Donner Camp, where members of the ill-fated Donner Party were trapped by weather during the winter of 1846 to 1847. Caught without shelter or adequate supplies, members of the group resorted to cannibalism to survive. The Sierra Nevada site has been designated a National Historic Landmark. The state park contains the Immigrant Trail Museum and the Pioneer Monument dedicated to the travelers of the Immigrant Trail. Now, after entering the gate, there's this road with ample parking to pick your spot.
You know you're a rookie when you blow up rafts by hand. You gotta get an air pump for your vehicle.
I know that one's the older one. Because that one's got the old attachment.
We found our spot and parked here and took a short walk where we set up our camp for the day. Within the state park, there is a place where you can rent paddle boards and jet skis. And on the northwest corner of the lake, there is a launch ramp. Donner Lake is open to both power and sailboats. Hey, look who's joining us. It's Toni Marie from Destination Unknown. Here's the link to their channel, a fun travel channel that we follow. Ta-da! Toni Marie. So this is the first time ever in her life that Toni Marie got in the lake. Because why?
Well, we can't swim in lakes in Florida. We have alligators. Here, it's totally safe and it was totally fun.
Who knew? Right?
I just wanted to say this is why I love meeting like-minded people, coming to areas of the country that I've never been before, and their hospitality and their kindness, showing me things I've never seen. It's exactly why we started Destination Unknown.
Yeah, for all you YouTubers out there, if you get a chance to meet other YouTubers, definitely do it, because this is proof positive. We're having a blast.
This is what it's about.
Destination Unknown. We out.
We're missing my better half of Destination Unknown. That's Jackson over there. Hey Jackson, where you at?
What is going on, fam? I am coming to you live from beautiful Orlando, Florida. Thank you guys for taking care of Toni Marie while she's out there. Really appreciate that. She's absolutely right. One of the reasons why we started this channel is to have this travel community. So whenever we go anywhere, we have friends there to show us around and let us know what we would miss out on if we went by ourselves. So thank you guys for taking time out to show Toni Marie around, and I can't wait to get out there with you guys.
Okay, we've all done it. Yes, I had my camera on while I was walking, getting my steps in.